Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Coffee and Cards with Michelle. My name's Michelle Zanovich, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Every weekday at 8 and on Saturdays at 9, I come so that we can start our day with a little creativity and fun. All week long, I've been showcasing this beautiful Simply Citrus card kit, showing you first how to make the examples out of the kit, and second, how we can step them up with just a few products and craft supplies that you have laying around at home. So today we are making this card right here that says Just a Note, and it's using, let's see, a Just Jade polka dotted card base. Okay, and I like it that it's Just Jade on the back and then white on the inside. So it's really nice and easy for us to write our sentiment or even do some more stamping on the inside. Okay. Next, we have a pre-printed label. This is very nice, and it mimics the hexagon label that we stamped on, I think yesterday. Okay, and then we have a Knight of Navy flag or banner, and then a stitched Whisper White circle. All of these came in the kit, just like this. Okay, and let's see. I moved all my stuff yesterday because I was preparing one of my projects for my Dog Days of Summer retreat. For some reason, I'm having trouble talking to you this morning. So my little dog, my littlest dog, you know I have two, right? My littlest dog decided that she needed to sleep with me last night. And I never sleep well when she sleeps with me. I just can't do it. It's very, very difficult. Okay, so before we put this down, our instructions tell us that we're going to take this variegated Calypso Coral baker's twine and we're going to wrap it around several times. So I'm going to leave an end on the right hand side and I'm going to wrap it all the way around the card front. Oh, let's do twice, okay? And I'm going to leave a long enough tail so that I can tie a bow. Okay, so I'm going to turn this over here. Okay, don't pull too tight or you're going to rip your card front and that would be terrible. Oh, I thought I tied a knot. Didn't I tie a knot? Anyways, like I was saying, my little dog, crazy thing. You know, they lay up like on your legs or something and you can't move because then they get snarly. I don't know if you know, but I have two Shih Tzus. Charles is like 16 pounds and Storm's about 7. Well, Storm's the one that laid on top of me all night. And snarly, oh my goodness. So like I'm stiff and sore because this little dog just wouldn't let me move. I love her to death, but my goodness, girl. And then of course she's up super, super early this morning, thinking it was time to play. She usually, oh, you know what? Let's put this on the back. We need some snips. Watch, we're gonna cut that in half. Lay that there. Yeah, She thought it was time to play at like 5 or 5:30. She usually sleeps with Nathaniel. But he's like, Mom, I'm so tired. Oh, and now you can hear him, right? Okay, I'm gonna quit futzing with that. No, I'm not. Anyways, I totally get why he's so tired. You can hear him, right? Those dogs. Okay, now we're going to take this and we're going to stamp. Today's stamp comes from this stamp set and it says just a note. And I have my Knight of Navy. The kit includes the Knight of Navy Stampin' Spot, but I do save those. Okay, just a note. Like that. And I'm going to add some more dimensionals there. And this is going to go right in the middle. Okay? Then I have some little orange blossoms because these are really cute. Three. Okay, and I'm just going to put these around. These are so fun. They're perfect. I'll put that one right there. Okay, so similar to what we made in the kit, right? This is using the directions from the kit. You don't need anything else. It came with everything you need except snips. So really, that's not bad at all. Okay, now let's step it up a little bit. I'm going to go with the same design here. Okay. And this time, I have the same card base. Oh, I'm so sorry. Welcome to my world. Just Jade polka dotted card base. This time I'm going to make this card vertically. So this is going to go like this. But before we do that, I have the stitched circle, and then I have the stitched shape in Just Jade. Okay. We're going to layer that. And then I have these square vellum doilies that came in the Peony Garden Suite. And we're going to use this. But instead of putting it down on white, get this. Are you ready? It's going to be awesome. So I have a sponge, and it's clean. It doesn't look it, but it is. And I'm going to grab, where did it go? Oh, here it is. My Just Jade ink pad. Okay? Watch how fun. You're going to want to do this for sure. Okay? So I'm going to dip that in my ink, and I'm just going to brush that doily with just a little color. Okay. Don't be afraid to do this. It's very fun. It's flying all over my table. Okay, and I'm just making it a little darker. Start light. You can always add more color, but it's really hard to take it off. Okay, now, see the difference? Hold on. Ugh. So, I just think it's beautiful. Okay? Yeah. Won't that be nice? Okay, what else did I want to do to this? Oh, I know. Let me grab these little orange blossom dots. Let's see. I need a small rock. And here's my circle. And we're going to stamp our Just a Note in Night of Navy again. And then, if it were a snake, it would have bit me. In Calypso Coral this time, we're going to stamp some of these. Ooh, those look really dark. That was a clean stamp. Apparently not as clean as I had hoped. Let me clean that really fast. Okay, grabbed my chamois really quick. Ugh. So, make sure that your stamp is clean. Okay. Then I'm going to put this back on this Just Jade stitched shape circle. A little seal. All right. Like so. And I'm going to put this like that, but I'm not going to use any adhesive because I'm going to put dimensionals on there and that will act as our adhesive. Pretty slick, huh? A little scrap of early espresso from my early morning crafting today. Huh? Yeah, I like dimensionals. That doily's not going to go anywhere, I tell ya. Okay. Let's see, should we put this on here? No, I think it's too much. Okay. Line that up. We're going to do like that. Yep. So tomorrow morning, I'm not going to be live with you, but I will have a special video. Okay, so don't panic. We'll be fine. I will be here, but I may not be live. But I'll be back on Saturday. All right, let's turn this over so I can see what I'm doing. It helps to take the dimensional backings off. I told you I'm sleepy this morning. Goodness gracious. And you know, you don't have to take all of those off. So I'm just gonna have this peeking out like so, right there. And again, just a little bit like so. Just a note. Oh, so much fun. I don't know what I would do if I didn't have something to look forward to, right? I mean, I go to work but getting up and crafting with you, it's the best. Okay, 3 of these little guys, and we're just about finished. Whoa! I left the glue dot behind. There's 1. Oh, where should we put that one? 2. Did I get it? And 3. So we started with this from the kit brochure, and we just stepped it up a notch with this. I think it was a lot of fun. And it's something that you can do using the supplies that you have already at home. So thanks for joining me. We will have a special video tomorrow. It will still be using the Simply Citrus card kit, and I hope to see you all both tomorrow and Saturday at 9 o'clock for Crafty Saturday. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye-bye.